Just pick up your tools and be ready. To start, pick your 0.8 wire and with your round nose pliers make a P shape, and with your chain nose pliers make a bend. Then again with your round nose pliers make another P shape and you have a little heart shape. Continue making those little hearts. The great tip is the distances between every heart, and when you bend every 2 hearts, that is just side to side, you will have a rounded shape just like this. You could cut one of them out just like me. Then again, with your 0.8 wire, make a ring. Just wrap it all around your mandrel or a marker of your size ring. And then make both ends round. Again, put it in the mandrel or your marker to be fixed and all around it. At the end, check it out to test the size, and now it's ready to attach 2 pieces together. Pick up one of your tools and make a bowl shape just like this. You would concave your shape and it would be just like a dome. Put your 0.4 wire in your pier and attach it to the dome shape. You should weave 2 ends of this wire to your base shape. And it should be just fastened. And then again, weave it to your ring. It's just like when you're sewing. Wrap it all around your ring and do that continuously. If needed, use your round nose pliers to make it easy. And there you are. This is your ring. It's simple, but the result is great looking. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Now the question is, which one is your preference?